Welcome to our video on creating 3D wireframe plots with Plotly. Today, we're going to explore how to create stunning visualizations that can help you better understand and analyze complex data. Wireframes are an essential part of 3D plotting as they provide a clear representation of the underlying structure of your data. In this video, we'll show you how to use Plotly to create wireframe plots that run along both directions, giving you a comprehensive understanding of your data. We'll start by explaining what wireframes are and why they're essential in 3D plotting. Then, we'll dive into where we'll cover the key concepts and steps involved in creating these types of plots using Plotly. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create stunning wireframe plots that will help you gain insights from your data. So what are wireframes in simple terms? Wireframes are a way of representing 3D objects as a network of lines and curves. They provide a simplified view of the object structure, making it easier to understand its shape and layout. When working with 3D plots, wireframes can help you visualize the relationships between different data points and how they interact with each other. Now, let's talk about creating wireframe plots that run along both directions using Plotly. To do this, we need to understand how Plotly works and what options it provides for customizing our plot. Plotly is an interactive visualization library in Python that allows us to create a wide range of charts and graphs, including 3D plots. When creating wireframe plots with Plotly, we can use the Plotly function to specify the data and layout of our plot. We'll need to define the X, Y, and Z coordinates of our data points, as well as the line colors and styles we want to use for our wireframe. Additionally, we can customize the appearance of our plot by adjusting the camera angles, lighting effects, and other visual elements. One of the key benefits of using Plotly is its ability to create interactive plots that allow users to rotate, zoom, and pan the visualization in real time. This makes it easier to explore and understand complex data relationships. When creating wireframe plots with Plotly, we can leverage this interactivity to gain a deeper understanding of our data. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example where we have a dataset of 3D coordinates representing the structure of a molecule. We can use Plotly to create a wireframe plot that shows the relationships between these coordinates and how they interact with each other. By rotating and zooming in specific parts of the plot, we can gain insights into the molecular structure and identify patterns or anomalies. So, what are they from this video? First, wireframes provide a simplified view of 3D objects, making it easier to understand their shape and layout. Second, Plotly is an interactive visualization library that allows us to create customizable 3D plots, including wireframe plots that run along both directions. Third, by leveraging Plotly's interactivity features, we can gain a deeper understanding of our data and identify patterns or anomalies. Thank you for watching this video on creating wireframe plots with Plotly. We hope you now have a solid understanding of how to create stunning visualizations that will help you gain insights from your data. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and content on data visualization and analysis. Happy plotting video!